This is a Bigjigs wooden railway heritage collection, number 323 Bluebell P-Class tank engine model. Bluebell is a P-Class locomotive built by the Southeastern and Chatham Railway in 1910. With its SENCR being number 323, it worked most of its life with light duties, such as small suburban services and shunting in the southeast region of the UK. Bluebell's history was reasonable average until it was bought for preservation by the Bluebell Railway Preservation Society as their second engine in 1960, the first being Stepney. During 1961, number 323 was given a name for the first time, Bluebell, and has been Bluebell Railway's flagship loco ever since, along with Stepney. Bluebell has featured in publicity and media many times, notably in the late Reverend Wilbert Awdry's Railway Series books, where she and Primrose featured in book number 18, Stepney the Bluebell Engine. Bluebell has been painted in a handful of different color schemes. Originally in the SENCR standard green and gold, Bluebell has also seen life in the Southern Railway, UK, as standard green lettering and British Railway standard colors. In the early 60s at Bluebell Railway, Bluebell was repainted blue with a red nameplate. Nowadays the loco is painted in a revamped version of this scene, and is a standard blue with lighter lining with the railway's crest, and the letters Bluebell on the tanks. The Southeastern and Chatham Railway, Seaford P-Class, is a class of 0-6-0T steam locomotive designed by Harry Wainwright. They were inspired by, and loosely based on, the more successful Elban SCR A1 class Terriers, and 8 were built in 1909 and 1910. They were originally intended for lightweight passenger trains, to replace underpowered steam rail motors. Certain cost-saving design compromises had been made, compared to the Terrier design, and the P-Class were found to be underpowered, having only 73% of the Terrier's tractive effort. The P-Class were later reallocated to shunting and station pilot duties. All 8 locomotives passed into Southern Railway ownership at the grouping in 1923, and into British Railways ownership at nationalisation in 1948. Withdrawals took place between 1955 and 1961, but 4 examples have been preserved. The first 2 locomotives, built in 1909, were numbered 753 and 754. The 1910 built locomotives reused numbers of withdrawn locomotives and were numbered 27, 178, 323, 325, 555 and 558. In 1915, 2 locomotives, 27 and 753, known by the rod as numbers 5027 and 5753, were transferred to the government and used by the Railway Operating Division, arriving in France in May 1915. They were initially used during the construction of exchange sidings, and later to shunt the sidings and docks at Boulogne, but they proved to have insufficient power, and were returned to England in October 1916, to be replaced with the Seeker T-Class locomotive. All 8 passed to the Southern Railway upon its formation in 1923, and were given a prefix to their Seeker numbers. In 1925, a 753 and a 754 were renumbered a 556 and a 557. In 1923, the Southern abolished the number prefixes and increased the P-Class numbers by 1,000. Upon nationalisation in 1948, British Railways added 30,000 to their SR number. The class survived intact until 1955, when 31555 became the first locomotive to be withdrawn. 31,557 followed in 1957. In 1958, 31178 was sold to Bowaters, and 3 locomotives were withdrawn in 1960, 31323, 31325 and 31558. The last 2, 31027 and 31556, were withdrawn the following year. No. 323, Bluebell. The youngest member of the class, no. 323 Bluebell is one of the first 2 engines which worked passenger trains during the first year of the Bluebell Railway Preservation Society. It arrived at the Bluebell in 1960 and remained a stalwart in the Bluebell's locomotive fleet between 1960 and 1998 when it was withdrawn pending overhaul. During this time it also visited the East Somerset Railway for 4 years between 1980 and 1984. Early attempts to overhaul the engine, which had gained the unofficial name of Bluebell at the railway, in 2005 proved to be abortive and 323, partially dismantled, was moved back to storage at Sheffield Park in a partially dismantled state. In September 2009 the decision was made to restore 323 to working order, and it was moved into the workshops with the hope of having it operational in time for the Bluebell's 50th anniversary celebrations in August 2010. However, it was discovered the firebox backhead had cracked, requiring repairs that prevented the locomotive from attending the celebrations. 323 returned to service in spring 2011, when it attended the branch line weekend celebrations. It remained operational until spring 2019, when it was withdrawn requiring a further overhaul. It is currently painted in Bluebell blue with the BRPS emblem on the side tanks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.